Hey guys, what's up? It's Natty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some DIY stickers, and this requires no sticker paper, which is super cool, and you probably have all the stuff you need to make them at home, so let's get started. So the first step that you guys are going to want to do is either draw or print out the images you want for your stickers, and I printed these off the internet, and some of them I made, like the Now That Spiffy one, which is one of my favorites, definitely. I made on Google Docs and just printed it out. And so now you're just going to take a little bit of parchment paper, and you really don't need that much unless your stickers are super huge. Mine are on the smaller side, so I just ripped that off and trimmed it to what I liked. So next you just want to grab some clear tape, and I would normally use clear packing tape, but this is not packing tape, it's just clear tape. I just found it around the house, so that's what I'm going to be using. This one wasn't as strong and it ripped pretty easily, so I would recommend a more heavy duty tape like clear packing tape or clear duct tape. Is that a thing? I don't even know. But I'm just going to cover one side of my parchment paper with this tape, and it does peel off, so just make sure you put on some pressure and try your best to lay it flat. So once you have finished layering one side of your parchment paper in clear tape, you're just going to want to lay out your images or drawings and make sure they have a good amount of space. You don't want them to be touching. So that is a good amount of space for my size of stickers. And then you're just going to want to cover the images or drawings in the clear packing tape. So now I'm trimming the edges, and make sure you don't tape around the sides, if you know what I mean. Don't wrap the tape around the edges onto the back, because that will make your stickers not work properly. So now I'm just going to cut out my images and make sure you have a good amount of space around the actual image. So after I finished cutting those out, I have my finished stickers right here, and they're super shiny, as you can see. Some of them, like the lemon and that's the cheese sis one, had a little bit of a bump slash bubble, if you know what I mean. So try to smooth your tape out as much as you can. Mine was not cooperating, but now I'm just going to stick them onto my desk whiteboard, and I think they're super cute and add a really nice personal touch to whatever you're putting them on. Anyways, I hope you all really enjoyed that tutorial and it was helpful for you to make some DIY stickers without sticker paper with stuff you probably have lying around your house. So I hope you guys will come back to my channel and revisit it and turn on post notifications and subscribe to see whenever I upload. And if you like this video, please give it a like and comment down below what video ideas you guys would like to see, because I'm interested to see your opinions. And bye guys, I hope you have a great day and peace.